Welcome back to HumbleFx. Today we're talking about the last time we discussed about taking sniper trading, sniper entry. All right, you could see today again. You can see that in every chart every day. So look at this. Look at this. I told you guys last time why I took those trades was because I saw some kind of levels and rejections at a level at a point, and it was very massive. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this level here. This is a strong level on M15. So when you see something like this, you are seeing rejections at the left corner side, and also on your right you are seeing also many rejections. Round here you are seeing rejection here, here. So it is very strong zone. So before price could go down, before price could actually go down like this, it have to break all of this, break all of them. But you could see that the breakout was not even massive. The breakout was just around this region, so it's still valid. You could see I took it because in the last video I was saying I should try to do on a small account. So I have to make my account little. So you can see that that is a trade, and you see we have a small account and we did not even bother to lose it. We have to enter it aggressively, and look at we are taking it to a very high extent. I'm going to hold this trade in this account. It will carry this account to about $20. I'm not going to exit this trade. It will carry my account to about $20 like this. I'll just hold it. So this is how you even take trade on a small account and double it within a day or thereabouts. Okay, so I have to understand that. Also on my in charts, on my window indicator, you are seeing I told you guys last time about a channel on the RSI. You see this is a channel on the RSI. All right, let me use my lines. Okay, you see this is a channel on my RSI. If I connect this thing like this, I'm seeing that it is an ascending channel on the RSI. So I'm probably have to move up like this to this point at least. I have to move from here upward. That's an ascending channel on the M15. Now, if we go to check uh, on M 1 hour time frame, or maybe H1 time frame, we are going to see the same thing. Look at that. This is beautiful, guys. This is very beautiful. If you look at that, you see the same region I marked on M15 is still very strong, even more stronger in this place, because here we have the level should have at least come down a bit. That from here now you see that even the cross did not actually cross that level, because the candle closed somewhere here, right? So it is very awesome that you don't need to panic about all of these things. It's very simple to trade it, very simple to do it. Okay, just identify strong zones, strong zones that has different many rejections on them on in there, and then strike very hard, and don't even fear about spike. Okay, once you take such trade, don't do fear about spike. You see this is a live account, it's still a live account, and we are still doing it. So what I do is that so that you will see that it is actually working, not that we say it and we go away. All right, so you have to just practice. Go to your chart and look for where you see rejections up or down. You could see somewhere here we have rejections here, and this way we cut this sell, because this since that we are seeing the upward, we have the upward rejections showing that the buyers are trying to buy, but the sellers are also saying no. They are having weeks. That shows that the buyers are losing momentum, and hence what, it's the bears, that is the sellers, then win. And what happened, they shoot down. Okay, they shoot down. Also here we had rejections here, had rejection up and down, we had rejections here up and down here. And I told you guys last time we took trade on the last video. We took our trade somewhere here, right? We took trade here, we took trade on this candle, we took trade on this candle here, this one here, because we had these things as rejections here, and we took it from here. We went up all this way. I told you guys I'm going to hold it from here to that point, and guess what? It played out. It played out massively. Okay, that is just a simple thing. You just need to go to your chart and look for these things, or you will see it on your chart, and you just practice on this, practice it, and then understand how to use them. Let us check if you can see these things also in other pair. Let me check. Boom, 500. Let me check. Let me see what's happening here. Also here we have 500 chart. Is this is actually going to sell. We are going to anticipate a sell in this market right here, because this is a, let me check on M15. Okay, on the M15 we are seeing a break and retest pattern here. If you know about that, you should know what I mean. Here's my trend line that goes, and look at my retest. There is a breakout. There's a breakout here. From that point, there is also, sorry about that, 15 minutes. What am I talking about? Yes, I'm 15. We had a breakout like this that breaks that trend line, and we had a retest from here. We had a retest. Then what do you want to see next? You want to see price shoot down, and that is exactly what has happened here. That's also what we are seeing here. This trade you see here, we took it on our VIP, and we make some profits. We made some profits. Let me show you guys. Maybe let me show you. We made some profits on that on the VIP. Look at that, guys. We take 50. We take candles. We take candle like no before. This is crash. We take trade on crash 1,500. We took first TP here, and we took the next TP at uh at 50 pips. 50 pips. Look at that here. We took over 50 pips on crash 500 trade. Now on that boom 1,000 boom 500 trade, look at it here. We enter the trade, and we take those trade. We take that breakout and the test entry, because we saw these things here. This ranging here is a preparation. The preparation for a massive move. Is either it breaks out and continue to move out, or above, or it breaks downside. But here it broke downside, and we make this. We take our trade here. Here is our stop loss, and we ride it on. See, all our TP2 is already hit, but we are still holding for TP3 to hit in this place, right? So this is how we do it. So if you want to even join the VIP, you can see come ahead. You can see come here, and you will see how we win. Okay, that's just how simple. You see that we took that trade live and direct. You see that we took the trade somewhere at this region, because these things here are showing indecision. The price is just the price broke out of this trend line, yes, and it came here to retest this thing. So we should expect a down movement. This is one thing you should understand. When you see a trend line like this get broken, the next thing you should expect is a retest of the trend line, then a movement of downside. Okay, but look at here, it didn't just go downside. It didn't just go downside. It had to range around here. So this ranging here is also another thing you need to understand, that you don't want to enter it here. You want to enter when there is a break downside, because this thing can actually decide to move up and break again and go up, and go up again. This this is a the real. So you don't they control the market. So at this point now, we should even take more entries, but I'm not going to take this trade because of what. There are levels. Look at these things here, right? These things here you are seeing here is a level, and price may likely break out of this, may likely spike and break out of this thing here. Okay, so you don't want to take trade when there's a trend like this. You don't want to take trade in this area like this. You have to just keep calm and wait for a good entry to take your trade. Let's go check on that cash 500 and see what's happening here. Now here cash 500, see that we took our trade right from this region. We took our trade very sniper. We took our trade very sniper, very sniper here. Yeah, we have a sniper entry from here. Why do we take it? we when we came online, we see that there is a trend going up like this. So once the trend to come back and retest my other block here, this is already a structure break, a structure break. This is a level, and there's a break of structure here. So I want price to come back and test my other block here at this point here. And as it does that, what happened? We shoot up. We shoot up over or we took over 50 pip in this trade. We take a lot of pips on it. Right, so this is just the simple thing, simple ways to take uh your trade and stay safe. This is also 1000. What is happening here in 1000? Let's check M15 to see what's happening there. This 1000, we are expecting a more downward movement, even though spike may happen any months from now, but we want it to come down a little bit more. You could see in our chart here, we has a down channel. We have a down movement channel like this. So this is actually let me draw it well so that we get to see better. All right, this is a down channel, which shows that we are going to sell this index, even though this index is actually on uptrend, but we can still sell. Okay, so this is it. I'm expecting price to come back to this channel and we shoot down. You need to check trend line as well. This is my trend line. So I'm waiting for price to come to this trend line, and then we shoot up. These are ways you can take your entries to take your entries in this market, and be successfully making money even without any indicator. Now this is just 2 3 things I just showed you here. We had a signal here that it might come and go up on your channel, on your trend line. You are seeing this that there might be a spike around this region. Also, we have another thing here. If you want to draw a channel in this place, we have something like this. This is a channel. This, remember, we are on M15. Just get notes. Okay, this is a channel. Let me take off distance. Okay, but this is a channel. So what do we expect now? We expect price to actually drop, come down to touch is here. Then what else do you expect? Either it touch the trend line or just the channel, and we expect a movement backward in the upper side. We expect a movement upward like this. All right, except it breaks out of this channel and trend line downside. This market is still a long buy. It is going to buy longer, but for now you can actually you can take just a few pips to the channel or to the trend line. All right, this is just a simple overview of what to look out for when taking your sniper entry on the on this in this on this uh stuff.